Testing. Testing. Test. It was working. It was working the whole. Oh, it was muted. All right. There it is. Testing. 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 My mic. My settings got messed up somehow. Or reset or something. Now it sounds. Yikes. Yikes. Testing. I'm only on until 8:30. I gotta get somebody from the airport. Why isn't my light on now? What's happening? Something wrong. I have to not now. I repeat to my funding account. I was on tilt. I was so tilted yesterday. I was tilted so good. It was so bad. Um, but it's all good. We're gonna trade this 150K today and tomorrow. I don't know how much I'll trade it today because I gotta go get something from the airport and then I'm at work. But oh, was it bad yesterday? Actually, it didn't start off so bad. I was in a small hole, got myself out of it. Was up about $265, and I was originally down like 500 or 600, and so I was like, all right, I'm on the right side. And then the other side of me was like, just stop and just cut it at 260 something, and reset for the next day. And the other side was like, oh no, it'll be all right, and just keep going. And then I had a trade that gave me like 60 something dollars, and I wasn't able to book the profit. And so then I ended up sitting in it longer than I wanted to. Can't even remember if it turned green, if it stayed green or turned red. All I know is one bad trade led to another. And I was kind of going on tilt. And then I just got so upset. And I was like, man, I'm sick of this account. Playing with these micros. Even though I said I love the micros, I do. I was especially loving them when the volatility was where it was. But the market seems to be somewhat getting back to normal, where we got 20-point candles, 15-point candles, no longer 100-point candles. And so for me, that says get back on the 150K anyway and just trade minis. But still, I think I'll still keep it the same on the 50K because I do have a 50K eval. Actually, I accidentally blew one last night. Thought I was trading on the 150K. Oh, it was so bad yesterday. Look at that flush. And I was like, what is happening? This is after the market closed. Opened about 7, 8 o'clock. I was up like 800, and then I risked a lot to take this trade. And I didn't realize I was in the 50K. Oh, so it was bad. Bad day yesterday. Blew like 3 evals. Crazy. Then it started off today. This morning I was up $1,000 trading. Got up at 6. Couldn't sleep. Well, I slept and then I got up at 6. I usually get up at 6 or 7 anyway. But got up. Found a nice trade. Took it. Good. Up $1,003. Took another trade. Down 400. Took another trade. Down 400. I'm like, oh my God. Well, here we are. Down $405. I actually wanted to take this for the break it at PLC. And so there's no next level, but I was trying to, it kind of sucks though. It kind of sucks because I really wanted to get that account up trading those micros. But I've also said that like my data shows that April, for whatever reason, the second quarter from April to July, I have a hard time trading, and it's probably because conditions like yesterday, the day before. Well, the day before, Monday was actually good. We got some good movement, but these other conditions, for whatever reason, April between there, I wasn't funded. That's what my data shows me. I wasn't funded from now. I was funded in April, and I wasn't funded again until like July or August. And so it should be interesting to see how I trade from here on out. Until then, actually, there's support and resistance everywhere. We got GDP in 21 minutes. I'll be on the road. No, I'll be here. Nope, I'll be on the road. I'll be leaving. Core PCE today. See how those come in. GDP prior was 2.4%. Forecast 0.4%. We don't want it to come in negative. We don't want the economy to be bad. If it comes in negative, that means the economy is shrinking. And I'm not sure it was last quarter GDP. Let me see. Music. What was the overall? 24.7. Also, so far kicking ass and taking names. Nice setup. DLC came in. What? It's chilly. Wait, what? You gonna see right there. Want to flush it? NASDAQ is falling this morning though, huh? Down negative 0.75%. Buyers should step in here, or they could step in here. That's support. German soup. Alright, did we get stopped out before it went our way? Should have put that out yesterday. No, we took that trade. Down 228 from I was down 404. I should have kept it. I should have put it out yesterday open, but look at this. This is bearish. Some numbers just came out less than expected. That was pre. Look at that drop after it. So this is the preliminary NFP. So I wonder, prelim NFP data came in less than expected. So what happened to my damn? What? That was the reason for them to send it lower. I already knew it was going to look. I mean, you can look at it. It's been dumping off all morning. Question is, do we get another entry for? This is dropping, and then yeah, that is. $62,000. 115 was expected. It came out at 62,000. Previous. That's crazy. USA ADP employment change. All right. Well, GDP comes out in about 12 minutes. Then I'll use that just to flush it some more. I want to get into a short. This is extremely bearish. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the cloud. Look at the cloud. You got PCE there coming out at 10. Man, it's not gonna pull back. 62,000. Well, Nasdaq seemed to drop after that report. It was dropping before the report, though. PCE at 10 a.m. GDP at 8:30. I gotta get ready to leave. Get my stuff ready. Let me get my stuff ready. That's the for that day. How much will we end up the day with? It sucks to have to start over, but that's a part of the game. You hear me? Oh, I left my I really left it in the car. What's in the car? A little chilly out there this morning. Put my hoodie on. We still falling? Of course we are. This is bearish. I'm getting in. I'm not even thinking about it. I'm gonna move that stop up a little bit though because it's kind of a bad entry. Who cares? It's the eval. I mean, I care. Let's not say it like that. It's cold outside. 44 degrees. Yeah. Hold it through GDP. Let's see. I'm only risking $500 or two. That's $250 actually. I put one on. I meant to put two on. I meant to put two on. Oh shit, I missed it. Look, right as I was adding it. Oh, well, I'll take that. I'll take that 535. I'm up 310. I'm up $310. Look at that. That's why that somebody knows something. 821 GDP comes out and it's 822 GDP comes out in 8 minutes and the market just dumped off like that. That's why I wanted to get in position before. And I cut it because it flushed early like that and I didn't expect that. I'm gonna get back in though. 100%. Just give me a second. Up 310 on it then. Damn, I wanted to hold it at least till yesterday's low, but I should have just moved my stop, but it happened so fast I just had to cut it. It was really quick. Cold outside here in Ohio. What time they land? They land at 9:18, 9:20. Yeah, I won't be able to get back on. I won't get back on until about 10, so I just start work. Still bearish. Still going for yesterday's low. Still not in the trade. Still going for these lows and these 30-minute candles. Still bearish. Conditions are so bearish. RSI below oversold. RSI is at 5. On the 2-minute RSI is at 5.44 on. Wow. I mean, this is dumping. This is pre NFP, post. What was that, PCE or the prelim? Prelim NFP that came out, the employment change. 824. I don't want it to pop on me. I would rather been in higher up. We're at that 30-minute low, so I'm not gonna. But listen. Oh, am I right? Oh, I never. I didn't have my level set. NASDAQ still falling. Well, we're holding at those lows. 4 minutes, and I gotta leave. What would GDP come in at? Questions that need answered. GDP showed in prior at 2.4%. The forecast is 4. They're expecting it to come in at 0.3. So they're expecting it to contract down to 0.3. We'll see. Hands are cold and I can't get them in my pocket. Let's see. Financial Juice has it at 2.4 prior, and they're expecting it to contract down to negative 0.2%. Trading View has 0.3, so we'll see. Prior was 2.4. We'll see what it comes in as. PCE prices. PCE comes out at 10, everybody. If you're watching and trading today, just keep that in mind. GDP comes out in 1 minute 43 seconds. Got some earnings coming out today too as well. Some earnings. Microsoft, Meta, Robinhood, Qualcomm, and some more. The NFP Friday. We got a big week this week. All right, 1 second. Let's see. GDP. What it come in as? GDP. Come on, GDP. It showed up at minus 0.3%. They expected 0.2. It showed up at 0.3. How did the market take it? They digested it. It bounced. Well, that was on. Financial juice expected 0.2, came in at 0.3. That's why I rock with TradingView. TradingView expected 0.3, came in at 0.3. So it didn't necessarily come in weaker. Came in as expected. CPE, core CPE at 10 o'clock. That's next on the news. Glad I didn't get in for a drop. For the continuation of this this bearish sentiment we've been having all morning, because I would have been stopped out even if it continues lower. I did want to get in a short though. I mean, I'm still liking the shorts from here. Buyers could step in here or here. But until we get there, first move was up. True move might be down. There you go. True move is down. Still bearish. Kind of missed that. Not playing around. I was trying to mark some 30-minute levels there. I gotta go though. I wanna get in. Let's see, a minute 32. 28 seconds. All right, gotta go. See you tomorrow, 8 a.m.